Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 19th of May. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the CAC 40 index. We last looked at these charts straight after the French presidential election. We were saying then that a consolidation was likely as the index was overextended away from its moving averages and was overbought. We've had a consolidation. Looking at the charts today, we will see that perhaps further consolidation should be expected. Oh, if this is the first time you've found TA for Traders on YouTube, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's videos coming on here all the time. I'm putting them on, if not every day, every other day, and not only covering indices, but also covering the commodity markets, the foreign currency markets, and also I cover single stocks. Anyway, let's get on with the CAC. So, sorry to make that big for you, and on the daily in the CAC, you can see that we had the consolidation after the French election. That was this rally here. That was the Monday, 5th of May. We've since had a consolidation. We've now come back and we've met the rising 20-day moving average. It's only natural that that will give some support. And that's what we've been seeing yesterday and today. However, the RSI, although it's still above 50, is now indicative of negative momentum, and the MACD are also indicative of negative momentum as the short term moves below the long term. Slight concern as well in that we had on Wednesday high volume on the sell-off, so be aware of that. The next key support would be the 50-day moving average, and that would then take us into this range trading period that we had in March through to April, before we had the strong rally on the French election. On the weekly, again, you can see that we were very overextended away from the moving averages. The consolidation has brought us closer, but they are still a long way away, and really one would expect further consolidation. Here, the RSI still actually on a weekly basis is showing positive momentum, as are the MACD. The only concern on this chart is the overextension away from the moving averages. And on the short term, the 4-hour, we're consolidating here. Actually, if we get a further consolidation, we would then get a confirmation of a head and shoulders, and if this right shoulder broke, you would then get a move down to these kind of support levels around about 51.15 to 20. Here we've had the 20-day cross the 50, sorry, not the 20-day, the 20-hour cross the 50-hour moving average in a downward direction. That's a bearish cross, so is negative. Again, you can see the high volumes are coming through on the sells. MACD showing negative momentum. RSI has bounced back up over the last day and a half, but still below 50. Looking at the support resistances on the CAC, and you can see that the key support, as I've said, is the 50-day 5163.6, and then there's very little support actually until 4985.9, with resistance on the upside at 5424.4, and then the high after the election 5488.3. So this has been TA for Traders looking at the CAC index. Really, one should expect further consolidation. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember, these videos are my opinion only and are for educational purposes, and in no way should they be used as an investment recommendation. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.